Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video, and in today's video I'll tell you where not to waste your money if you are starting out with photography. I get a lot of questions regarding whether I should buy X camera or Y camera. So let's start with things that you do not really need right now if you are starting out in photography. First things are these filters. Now what are filters? Filters are different glass elements which fit in front of your camera lens. Now these can be different kinds of filters. Like for example, I have a gradual neutral density filter. It is called a GND filter as well, which is dark on the top and plain in the bottom side. So basically you use it for something like landscape photography, where you need the sky to be dark and the landscape to be properly exposed. Now these are very expensive. I bought this for 10,000 bucks. Yep, and I have about 3 of these. So 30,000 bucks wasted, almost wasted, because I do not really use these as such. I bought it when I was starting out in photography, so that's a big mistake that I did. There are different types of filters here as well. This is the circular polarizer, which is used to cut out on glares and reflections from something like a metal body or even a car reflection if I'm shooting a car. Now this is a neutral density filter. That was a gradual neutral density which graduated from top to bottom. This is a full neutral density filter, if I can show you. Now this is completely dark. If I put it in front of the lens, you will see that the entire picture goes dark. Now this is probably useful if you're shooting outside in the sun and if you need shallow depth of field for your video specifically, because video shutter speed remains a very tough thing to maintain when it comes to shooting in sunlight. You need to understand, for the first 2 years of your photography, you need to understand that what you are shooting is important rather than how you are shooting it. You need to understand where you are coming from. You need to understand the finer nuances of photography before you move into spending so much money on filters or anything else. Second thing which you do not really need if you are starting out in photography is a drone. I know I love drone footages, I love drone pictures because those have a very different kind of feel to them. But if you're starting out in photography, like I've just said, you concentrate on the photography part of it rather than the equipment part of it, because even if I give you the most expensive drone in the planet, you wouldn't really be able to create some good pictures, because you as a starting out photographer, you as a newbie photographer, do not quite have the idea or the technicalities involved in photography. So you need to understand and learn the finer nuances of photography, the tips and tricks of photography before you invest in anything else. So if you're starting out for the first 2 years, I don't think you need a drone. Third thing which you do not need right now are expensive tripods. I'm not saying do not buy a tripod, go out and buy a tripod, but buy something which is cheaper, which is something which is helpful. People ask me, do I go out and buy a carbon fiber tripod? Now carbon fiber tripods cost a lot of money. They start at about 15,000-20,000 bucks, go up to 100,000 bucks maybe. I wouldn't suggest you go out and buy a carbon fiber tripod. Even if you do have the money, save it and rather invest it in something like a good camera lens or something which you wanted to buy with regards to photography. Buy something which is cheaper and which will help you support the camera and the lens system which you have. It is not necessary to go out and buy carbon fiber tripods. So essentially, filters, drones, expensive tripods, these are the 3 things which you need to stay away from if you are starting out in photography for the first 2 years of your life. Just remember to concentrate on the photography part of it, to understand where you are coming from, to understand where you are going, and then decide the kind of genre you are going into, and eventually try and find out your calling. Eventually you might just spend the money which you always wanted to spend on the equipment. But on that note, I'll end today's video here, guys. I hope you've learned something. If you did, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, because I'm putting out a lot of photography tutorials and of course a lot many other videos. On that note, I'll see you guys again tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.